Yo guys, I'm back. Motherfuckers, I'm back. It's been a minute when I've done like a long formatted video, so stay tuned. This is just gonna be a update on really what's happened today for my trading. I've been doing it more on shorts, but I just wanted to kind of bring back the long formatted videos. And yeah, if you guys like this video, hit that like and subscribe. You know I'm not gonna stop till I get to the top. Let's get to the video. Currently live trading. What's happening? Stay tuned. I'm actually kind of amazed why price is going with my direction. Like I was assuming like this shit's cooked, it is what it is, but it's also Monday, so Monday can do Monday things. Anyway, I decided to take a sell here just purely because it was a good lineup. Like if I was to measure the Fibonacci from the bottom here to the top, because I am also looking for it to be in a downtrend. Right now it's currently in a range, but it still hasn't touched this objective area, which I am waiting for price to touch. The chances of it actually touching the monthly open price, which I will show you just after I mark out this area. You can clearly see it's a 50% retracement. Originally it wasn't there, it was actually right here, which it would have been a 38.20% retracement. And I want to take this sell all the way down to this red monthly open price. The reason why I want to take it all the way down to the red monthly open price is because price has not touched it since the start. It's come close, but it has not touched it. And from this, I just want to make sure that price really doesn't like it at all, and it wants to continue pushing to the top side. As for now, I still think price wants to touch it. If that makes sense, make it make sense. Okay, my counter reasons to why I shouldn't have taken this trade is because it's better areas to take a sell. Like if price decided to come up here the next day, I could have taken a sell right here. That would have grabbed all the previous liquidity from the past few weeks, days, all that stuff. Also would have been at the top of the range for price to actually aim back down to the monthly open price. It would make more sense. But right now, price is also in a good month. So assuming that it's in a good month, price can just push down from here, in the sense that it's lining up well with good timing, and this can be the area where price decides to push all the way down and grab all this previous liquidity. But yeah, the only problem that I can really see here is that just the liquidity hasn't been grabbed from Friday, and price actually didn't go to the best area, which was up here. Right now, price did line up for a pretty good sell, but it's not the best sell. It is also Monday, so we have no clue. But right now, how price is moving pretty beautiful. We can see right here that price decided to reject off the weekly open, which is pretty beautiful. And you can just see the sellers coming in. Of course, price can easily switch whenever. But knowing that price closed over the monthly open price gives me a pretty good feeling that price could just potentially keep pushing down. And with this, we're just going to keep holding, but we're also going to be trailing our stop loss right below it with 4 pips of space. If it's around a monthly open price, we'll probably put our stop loss 4 pips above a monthly open price, just purely because that's just how it is. When I want to give a bit more room, if price decides to respect the monthly open price, such as this one here. Like let's just say price makes it to here. I'm probably just going to be holding for the V exit strategy. If you guys don't know what that is, I'll explain it in another video. But I'll just be holding for the V exit strategy. But if price gets to here, let's just say it gets to this area, rejects it, it comes back, retraces, and then continues pushing down, I'll be placing my 4 pip stop loss right here somewhere, just because it respected the monthly open price. So right now, what do I expect price to do? I expect it to push down, but if price doesn't decide to push down, I'll be decreasing my lot size. The lots I'm using is the same that I did during my funded phase when I was in the trial times. And it's back to my normal, I think 0.5%. If this ends up being a loss, I would have to decrease my lot size by half, meaning I would be trading 0.25. The reason why is because that's just how my risk assessment really goes. I'll probably do some more research into how my risk management works, so I can find the best probability for my strategy. But right now, how it works is that I risk 0.5% twice. The reason why I only risk it twice on a losing streak is so that after that I half it, so that I'm only risking 0.25. So instead of losing potentially 5 in a row, I actually lose like 3 in a row, or 3.5 instead of 5. So I save a bit more than I lose. I took a loss last week and I only took one trade last week. So for this, if I take an L here, I'll be decreasing my risk. But right now, I took a sell right here, price instantly just pushed up, and I think it's because I hadn't touched the weekly open price on the other side, just to reject off it, and it looks like price did really good off rejecting it. Of course, price can still push up, but we're just expecting it to push down, and we're okay with losing this. We have to always be okay with losing it. So that's really what I'm looking for here. I want prices to start grabbing these liquidity zones right here. And then once price starts grabbing these liquidity zones, it gives me a better confirmation. The obstacles that price will probably have to go through if price starts to push down. This will probably happen once I wake up from my, in the morning. That if price, let's just say, is down here, I'll have to, watch out for price's obstacle here and here and here. The reason why is because these are where the monthly open prices are. This is also in the middle of the range where the white line is, and the blue line here is the middle of the range, and the white line here I think was probably liquidity, so I'll delete that. So it's just the monthly open prices, which will be the obstacles, and also the middle of the range. And then here I think it's just going to be sweet sailing, and I would be making a shit ton of money, but we'll see what happens. Right now, just price is looking pretty good, but you guys are going to be left on a cliffhanger like always. So hit that like and subscribe. I'm not going to stop till I get to the top. Peace.